the juicy gay Igbo king who is moisturized, hydrated, sexy, and unbothered. Yes, I am. The Igbo gay king came back, had a shower, I feel fresh. Some of these people who are so obsessed with me. Why is it that it is straight people, in quotes, who are always obsessed with homosexuality? Why are you obsessed with gay sex? Why are you sexualizing LGBTQIA plus individuals' experience? Why are you sexualizing queer people? As someone who do not care, who is never, ever going to conform, I am a massive problem for some of you. I know this. I challenge everything you believe in. I am not the reason why your life is the way it is. I am not the reason why you are in hell, because hellfire is a mindset. You live in it. The earlier, the better for you to start minding your business. This gay Igbo king from Njikoka local government area of Anambra State, everybody in my village knows I'm a gay man. If you think they don't know, I am happy for you to take a metal gong or a wood gong and announce it to everybody in my village. You cannot insult the gay away. You cannot pray it away. I am going to be a homosexual, whether you like it or not. I'm going to go and drink something quickly. I think I've said this before on TikTok Live. There's so many of this that has happened. One of my friends used to know somebody that they slept with. This individual is gay but married, and he's had sex with my friend a couple of times, and whenever this happens, he will blame my friend. You are the reason why I'm a sinner. I hate you. After a few days, this individual will be calling back again. My friend blocked him. I have experienced this on so many occasions myself, numerous times actually, where you have some of these men who are clearly struggling with who they are and they just are wayward. There is nothing wrong with you struggling with your sexual orientation, your sexuality. There is nothing wrong with that. But there is everything wrong with you being a gay person that does not like yourself, and you have internalized homophobia and you are suppressed. You are hypocritical, and at the same time, you are being homophobic to gay people. You are being transphobic and all of these things. There's a massive disconnect, because you can struggle with your sexuality, you can struggle with who you are, but mind your business. You don't need to tell people that you are gay. You don't need to announce it. It is nobody's business. What I think you should do for yourself is for you to be at peace with who you are. Love who you are. Cheers. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.